In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Loom video transcript. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your recording, turn on captions if they aren't enabled yet, view the full transcript, clean it up, and copy it into the document of your choice. This is perfect for repurposing content, improving accessibility, or creating quick notes from your videos. Start by heading to Loom in your browser and opening your video library. Click into My Videos and choose the recording you want to transcribe. Give the page a moment to load so the player and its controls appear clearly. You'll be working right inside this video page the whole time, so there's no need to download anything. If captions aren't enabled yet, look for the CC or captions button on the video player. Click it and choose Generate Captions. Loom will begin processing the audio from your recording. This can take anywhere from a few seconds to a bit longer, depending on the length and audio quality of your video. You can stay on the page while it works. You'll know it's ready when the captions appear on the player. Once captions are ready, the transcript or captions panel will be available on the video page. You'll typically find it beside the video on larger screens, or just below the player on smaller windows. This panel displays the full text of your video, organized by time so you can follow along. As you play the video, the transcript will track with the audio, making it easy to see exactly what was said and when. You can review and edit the transcript directly, click into the text and make any corrections you need, like fixing spelling, grammar, or any words the system misunderstood. This is especially helpful for names, technical terms, or places with background noise. Keep your edits simple and accurate so the transcript remains aligned with the video's timing. Small changes won't affect playback, and you can move through the text at your own pace. When everything looks good, highlight the transcript text you want to keep. Use your usual copy shortcut, like Command-C on Mac or Control-C on Windows, and then paste it into your preferred destination. Google Docs, Microsoft Word, or a Notes app all work great. Once pasted, you can format it, add headings, or save it alongside your other project materials. And that's it. Open your video, generate captions if needed, view the transcript, refine it, and copy it out. You now have a clean, reusable text version of your Loom recording ready for documentation, captions elsewhere, or quick reference.